Hello everyone, this is Atlas Capital, popular investor on eToro. In this video, I will walk you through the basic concepts which can be applied by an ordinary investor on stock market. As a matter of fact, around 85% of people lose money on stock market, and this is a painful truth. Therefore, the purpose and takeaway for this video is to help you improve your investment results. Very basic information presented here can help you to be a more successful investor. Few words about myself. I was born in Ukraine but now living in Malta. Started my investing journey in 2013 and in 2018 I was accepted to eToro Popular Investor Program. Since then, I managed to outperform S&P index by a small margin on average. Along my investment, I realized that without these two attributes, it is unlikely to become a successful investor. Those attributes are liquidity and patience. They are necessary prerequisites for anyone who is starting with stocks. What I mean by liquidity? It's unlikely to be a good idea to invest money which you might need tomorrow, next month, and even within next year. Thus, in your investment budget, ideally try to allocate money you don't need any soon. Once you open positions, stick with it. The longer is your holding period, more chances are that you will earn decent or at least some return. Also, I prefer not to invest all money at once, but use dollar cost averaging. You might earn less eventually, but this will be offset by avoidance of huge loss if market turns bearish. Next compulsory attribute is patience. Buy and hold strategy has historically proved itself as one of the most successful ways to approach stock market. By following this strategy, you will avoid making emotional decisions and will save money on commissions. If you are not ready to spend time on stock selection, you might wish to consider index funds. Those are already well-diversified instruments. SPY is a replica of S&P 500 index. IWN is a collection of small value stocks. If you want to get exposure to technology and growth stocks which are considered more risky, have a look at Triple Q quote. Now this is very interesting chart which shows how important it is to start investing as early as possible. I personally started too late for this, but if you are a graduate student watching this video, chances are that you will be very rich one day. Opportunities are there. Finally, this chart is a confirmation that stocks do outperform over long term, at least in a rear view mirror of history. Chances are, however, that stocks will deliver nothing over extended periods, such as first decade of 21st century. But even after looking at this chart, I personally prefer to participate. That's it for now. I hope you found this presentation useful. See you later.